Hey guys, Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha. This month's This or That, we are going to have people choose. Are you going to pick 2016 Chevy Malibu or a Lincoln MKX? Let's find out. Hey Aaron, would you rather pick a Lincoln MKX or a Chevy Malibu?
I would pick a Chevy Malibu.
All
It
right.
seems to be a little bit more reliable.
Hey Matt, would you rather pick a Lincoln MKX or a Chevy Malibu?
I'd rather choose a Lincoln MKX.
Awesome. Hey Melvin, would you rather have a Lincoln MKX or a Chevy Malibu?
I'm gonna have to go with the Malibu. Well, what year Malibu?
16.
16? Okay. What year MKX?
16.
They're both 16s. Okay. Yeah, I'd have to go with the Malibu.
All right. Hey Dan, would you rather have a Lincoln MKX or a Chevy Malibu?
Malibu.
It looks like it's a tough call. So come and see them for yourself, Byrider Waukesha. Or if neither of those cars are your cup of tea, we have a huge selection of vehicles, different makes, models, and years. Come and see us today.